So today we're going to demonstrate how to apply our strip lashes from the Posh G Minks collection, and this is in Chicago. Hi guys, so today was launch day and it was a success, and we got to make a demo video, which is awesome. And thanks for everybody's feedback. Thanks if you shared a post, thanks if you shared a picture or word of mouth. We appreciate you and God bless. So without further ado, we're gonna zoom in on these lashes. I love them. It's actually my first time trying them with this vendor, and I love them, so I will be keeping them. And I want to hear back from you guys on how you feel about them if you purchased, and I look forward to doing business with you all. So Telisa, my lovely beautiful cousin, is going to be modeling the Chicago lash, and this is the Chicago lash, and it is, I would say, very fluffy. It does have some separation, which shows that dramatic tip of the separation of the lash, but I don't know what they call it. I'm gonna have to get my lash terminology up, but but it's beautiful. She applied them herself. We used Lash Couture lash adhesive, and it was a success. So how do you feel about them?
I love them. They're so lightweight, and like you said, they're easy to apply, and they're just beautiful.
Yes. We hope that you found our new site to be very welcoming, and you like our Instagram page, and you followed us or tagged a friend. So, such okay, cousin. See, I was trying to look professional. I was trying.
Cute. Girl,
I'm sleepy. I need sleep. I need a nap. We're in Cincinnati, of course, you guys. I always rep my hometown, so I'm wearing the we call them CinCities, and this is how they look up close. And I applied them myself. So it's a wrap. See you next time. Bye.